In China, there are thousands of the factories in here. Here's Longjiang. In China, in Longjiang, this town, it is the factories, is the furniture factories capital of the world. 99% furniture factory is located here. You will, maybe from the internet, from the TikTok, from the YouTube, you will hear of the city's name Lecong. But Lecong, it is the town of the furniture trading cities. If we produce the furniture, the town is Longjiang. Longjiang is the furniture capital cities in the whole world. Can you believe that if you don't have the agents or a reliable person to help you to source the right and good quality furniture, you will dizzy in China. Can you believe that this bridge, all the factories, people are come here to selling their furniture. It's too many people here. You can't believe it. How many factories is located in Longjiang? Too crazy. You can't believe that on this bridge, here are thousands of the factories are giving their poster, their banner to us. From here you can see that's the Middle Eastern furnitures and a lot of furnitures, classical and different kinds of furnitures. And you know, Minotti style, Bentley style. Normally you will find the best quality furnitures in the whole world, but also you will find the most economic furnitures in this place. I can't believe that. Even I'm the Longjiang person. I never witnessed this big scene. You know, my family factories, it is located here, and my father generation has already doing the furniture business for 30 years. So come to Longjiang and come to Lecong, and we'll help you to source the furniture and to help you to find the furniture which is suitable for your whole house, for your villa, for your hotels, and so on. Furniture, hardware, wood furniture, the best B&B furniture, 高府一 furniture. There are thousands of the furniture factories here, and outdoor furniture, Minotti style furniture.
Follow me to know more about luxury furniture.